व्यूअर्स वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे आईफोन 16 प्रो मैक्स। iPhone 16 Pro Max weight is around 227 grams. It has Super Retina XDR display. Here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, natural titanium. iPhone 16 Pro Max is coming in 4 different finishes: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium. There are 3 storage capacity options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. It has got 3 cameras: one telephoto camera, one wide lens camera, and one normal camera. The wide lens camera is 48 megapixels. The telephoto lens is 12 megapixels, and normal camera is also 48 megapixels. It's very beautiful. Apple has introduced new security features that no one can access your data, even Apple also. Size is also very good. It has a separate camera button. Screen is 6.9 inch in size. It can record in 4K at 120 FPS. This is the cable. Camera can zoom up to 5 times. Digital zoom up to 25 times. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell button so that you can receive future notifications. Thank you for watching.